At Delta Steel, we take fire prevention very serious. First, each plant has its own unique methods by which to alert you of a fire and the need to evacuate. Your supervisor will make certain that you are familiar with your facility's fire notification process. The ingredients for a fire are abundant in the industrial workplace. Many tasks and materials have the potential for destruction if improperly performed or mishandled. This is why a basic understanding of the elements that can cause a fire is so important to be familiar with. The three elements that must be present for a fire to occur are heat, oxygen, and fuel. The most effective method of fire prevention is to keep these three components separated. It's also essential for you to conduct a proper hazard analysis before performing each task. Quite simply, make certain that fuel is separated from heat and keep your work area free of potential fire hazards. Remember, always follow the site-specific emergency response procedures for your facility. When a fire occurs, you must be prepared by knowing the proper plan of action. This may include the following: knowing the location of the nearest fire alarm, if available at your facility; knowing the location of fire extinguishers; the phone number to call in order to report a fire and/or notify a supervisor; the location of emergency exits; the evacuation route and assembly point of all employees in order to initiate a roll call letting us at the plant know that everyone is safe and accounted for. Always use extreme care and require protection equipment or devices when handling and/or working with flammable or dangerous items. Never smoke or ignite an open flame in any area where flammable products are kept or are being used. It is very important to know the classification of a fire in order to make the right decisions when fighting any type of blaze. First, assess the situation and decide if the fire can be extinguished. Do not attempt to fight a fire if you have not received the proper training and authorization.